Alors, what the fuck mon petit gosse, parce que je suis sûre et certaine d'avoir mis la bonne catégorie, donc je sais pas ce qu'a foutu le truc pour dire que le live était sur la catégorie Batman, enfin Lego Batman, parce que je suis sûre et certaine que c'était que j'ai mis le bon truc. Genre là j'en suis sûre, je me suis... Genre, j'arrive, je vois que t'as modifié la catégorie, je me suis dit mais je suis sûre de moi. Les amis, nous sommes de retour pour vous jouer un mauvais tour. Non, c'est gentil. Reprendre. Bizarre, bizarre. Bah, je suis sûre, j'ai tapé 007 First Light, j'ai cliqué, ça s'est affiché dans les paramètres. Et ça m'a mis... et genre, je suis sûre, j'en suis sûre et certaine, genre. Parce que je l'ai tapé comme un con, là. Ah là là.
Hey guys.
What are you doing here? Come on, Bond.
Listen, I know you guys don't
Les amis, je vais juste faire un truc. C'est regarder comment frapper combo. Appuie sur OK. C'est juste pour être sûr, en fait, de pas oublier des touches. Parce que vu que je fais des switches entre les touches, je jure que mon cerveau... Donc, R1, ça. Parer. Donc ça, c'est rond. C'est bien ce que je disais. Contrer, c'est X. Un pas de côté chronométré permet d'éviter les coups des ennemis. Ok. Ok les gars, en fait quand c'est jaune, ça veut dire que tu peux parer. Si c'est rouge, tu peux pas parer, c'est-à-dire qu'il faut éviter. Ça va bien se passer, ça va bien se passer. Éliminer discrètement. Agripper. Ok. Lancer l'arme. Les gars, ça je trouve ça trop drôle. Ok, on va le tenter. On va le tenter. C'est bien, c'est pratique les filles pour distraire. Par contre, l'autre il me ferme la porte au nez, il est con quoi.
Bond, over here. Ah, more of them. We need to get past if we want to find the flag.
Okay. I'll go around the side, see if I can distract them.
But I didn't see. How did you...
Try knight takes queen.
If that's you, Bennett, I'm gonna stick this knight somewhere you won't like it.
T'imagines que c'est quand même des gens de notre truc ça. Alors c'est pas des méchants, c'est juste on est en train de s'entraîner. Venez, on fait un petit fléchette. Trouver le drapeau. Où est ce drapeau? Tout doucement. Tout doucement.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, listen. Greenway's birthday's coming up and we're throwing him a little thing. Just spreading the word. Mind if I pass?
Okay, go ahead.
Cheers.
Wait!
Bisous.
Monroe? They're having a party without us. Bit insulted. Any word from your two friends?
Nah, still out. They just don't make SAS troopers like in my day.
Les gars.
Okay, I'll keep looking. There's a building across the compound that looks like a good place to start.
Sounds like you boys are enjoying your little game of hide and seek.
Les gars, c'est chaud. C'est chaud parce que il faut trop.
I just had my boat to the ground
Okay, back on track.
One actual open
But the
heart
guy's
surgery.
taking a bit of a kip.
I just have to be really generous with the sanitizer. Now, where did I put it?
You're in it now, Bond.
Certainly am.
J'ai pas fait exprès. Je voulais l'attaquer par surprise et il l'a tapé. Oh oh. Oh oh. Non. Ça c'est évité, ça c'est évité. Oh oh. Les gars, c'est dur. Oh. Les gars, c'est trop dur, j'ai pas fait exprès. Il l'a tapé, j'ai pas fait exprès. Ouais, j'allais dire c'est fini, c'est fini, c'est fini. Oh, j'ai trop merde. Les gars, je vais devoir recommencer du début, je crois. Essayer. Oui. Les gars, c'est juste que j'ai pas fait exprès, je voulais qu'ils aient... En fait, je pensais pas qu'il allait lui être attiré. Je pensais que c'était les 3 autres Gugus qui allaient être attirés, donc j'allais pouvoir tuer lui discrètement derrière. Sauf qu'en fait, bah, ça a pas du tout fonctionné. J'ai le seum. J'ai le démon. J'ai le démon. Les démons. Je voulais tellement que ça passe tranquille. Ouais, j'étais un nouveau batch là. Non.
Trooper? What are you doing up here? There's an intruder in the lower levels.
We didn't hear.
Keep your ears open and you might next time.
Could I just have my Baltic brown granite worktop?
Batch 007. Eh bah. Là-bas ils sont 3. Là-bas 2. Faudrait qu'on essaye de passer à droite. On aura plus de chance, je pense. Tu sais, je me dis... Il est tout seul. Utiliser pour affecter les objets et les personnages. Pourquoi il part? Et pourquoi personne ne m'aide? Pourquoi c'est moi qui dois tout faire?
Watch
Mais non!
out. They're about to spot you. You're in it now, Bond.
Certainly am.
Okay, back on track. Other guy's taking a bit of a kip.
J'ai pas fait exprès. J'ai pas fait exprès. Les gars, désolé, c'est mon daron qui est venu parce qu'il voulait savoir si... Si quoi? Si en fait j'allais pouvoir... Il y en a un qui a disparu, il est parti. Si j'allais pouvoir quoi? Si je pouvais venir avec lui, mais sauf que je viens de lancer le live, donc je lui dis que je suis désolée, mais que je viens de lancer. Mais je lui dis que dans 2 heures je suis dispo d'office. On n'est pas obligé de tous les neutraliser, les gars.
Good job you weren't in charge of the meet.
Looking forward to taking the gloves off the
Bond, just overheard a couple of troopers talking about the flag. It's on the top floor of the back building. Meet me up there.
On my way.
All I ever tried was all sort of simple. Salt, sugar, shit, garlic, and onion. Rub it into the meat, half an hour before it goes.
Ok. Les gars, on n'est pas obligé de tous les neutraliser. On n'est pas obligé. J'étais sûre quand j'ai eu ta tête, je suis tout de suite. Bah ouais, mais il me demande de partir maintenant et je lui dis écoute, je suis désolée, je viens de lancer. J'avais trop le seum. J'avais trop le seum.
Bond, have you checked the top floor?
Sarge wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm coming to a steak before we all go.
We're right behind you. I can smell them from up here.
Are you sure you're in the right place?
Are you fighting, Bond?
Wouldn't dream of it. All under control.
J'ai pas fait exprès, à chaque fois je vais les neutraliser. Ah non mais... Aïe. Mais... Aïe. Non mais c'est trop... Les gars ça me saoule. J'ai appuyé sur carré parce que je voulais le tuer discrètement. Sauf qu'à chaque fois, il les tue. Ça me saoule. En fait faut vraiment que je vois le putain de truc. Attaque furtive. Si je le vois pas, il le fera pas, il va juste taper. Ah, je vous jure les gars, c'est horrible. Parce qu'il y a des moments où je suis juste en mode mais fais-le discrètement. Pourquoi tu donnes un coup de poing comme ça genre? Ah, ça me fait chier. J'espère que je vais pas reprendre tout au début parce que là j'ai vraiment trop le seum. Ok.
Sarge wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm coming to a steak before we all go.
We're right behind you. I can smell them from up here.
Quelqu'un va aller voir ou... Oui. J'aurais bien...
Huh? You look a little out of place. Where are you heading?
All right there. There's an intruder running around the lower levels.
Nobody told us.
Always the last to know, eh?
Oh là là, c'est une catastrophe.
Get on the radio.
You're in it now, Bond.
Hit him with a maniac here. Send out.
He's on his way out. Take it.
Let me out.
Courez, courez, courez. Ennemi à proximité. Oh non. Oh.
Are you fighting, Bond?
Eh oui, ben... Help me, help me. Oh là là, mais j'en peux plus de cet endroit. Il y en a aucun qui fait ce que j'ai envie. Je n'en peux plus. Help me, help me. Mais comment je vais me débarrasser de ces trois couillons de fils de... J'aurais juste dû bluffer et rien faire et juste le laisser partir. En mode oui, il y a des ennemis là-bas et... Ah.
Sarge wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm coming to a steak before we all go.
What is he paying?
Merde, j'ai pas assez. Il est en train de dégueuler. Merde, j'ai pas assez. Oh, c'est une dinguerie.
That was more normal.
Done. Sarge wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm coming
Ah, ça dure que 5 secondes en plus. Moi, je pensais que c'était... Oh, je pensais qu'il avait vraiment la nausée pendant 45 minutes, wesh. Oh là là, tout est foiré.
Boss,
Listen.
On a utilisé le chariot.
It's out.
what the hell?
Il va avoir l'ordi, non?
Looks like a body. Over there.
See if they're okay. But watch your back.
Oh merde.
You need to stop doing that.
All right, son.
Oh là là, j'en en peux plus.
You're in it now, Bond.
Je n'en peux plus. Oh, il y a des ennemis, je n'en peux plus. Non! Mais lance! Non, ça sert à rien. Non, ne me lance pas. Oh, ça... C'est pénible, c'est pénible. Je n'en peux plus de cette mission, je n'en peux plus. Ils sont tous les trois au milieu, comment tu veux que j'arrive? En fait, les gars, ce qui est horrible, c'est que t'en distrais un, y a pas... C'est pas genre... Enfin, t'essayes de distraire... Genre, t'essayes de le distraire, et en fait, le gars, ils vont tous les deux. Du coup, genre, y en a aucun qui reste derrière, donc j'arrive pas à les buter. Je n'en peux plus. Et en plus, y a pas de cachette, t'es obligé de faire des gros mouvements en plein milieu, là. Je sais plus quoi faire. Je sais plus quoi faire. On va attendre. Ils sont pas censés être 3. Non, c'est ça. Il est où le 3e? J'ai plus les fléchettes?
Let me see.
Tout ça pour ça. Tout ça pour ça. J'ai trop le seum, fallait juste passer discretos en fait. Pourquoi est-ce que je me casse le cul?
You got it. Right here. Follow me. I've got a plan.
Bond? Monroe? Status?
Monroe just crashed the party.
Come on, take him down! Right! Oi, come back! Oi, lads! Up here!
Salutations, ça va quoi, Mr. Powders?
There! Get him!
Mais les gars, j'ai rien demandé.
Too many of them. Sit rep. We're screwed. Thanks, mate.
Things just got sticky. Main door exit's not really an option just now.
Shit. New plan. Meet me at the backside docks.
Can't. Monroe's in trouble.
Block the door. I'll circle around and meet you there. See you in a bit.
Bond! Here! In the boat.
Ça va, ça va. Ça va, ça va. On se tire les gars, on se tire. Trop d'ennemis, trop d'ennemis. En plus ils sont pas si simples à battre les gars, il faut leur mettre 4-5, enfin 4-5.
What's your location, Monroe?
Just pin the route for you.
Good call on the boat, Cress. I owe you one.
Add it to the tab.
Glad to hear you're all safe. Could you get a move on and come and get me?
So I'm curious to hear how every SAS in the compound suddenly got alerted to our presence.
Monroe, you take that one.
Can't talk right now.
On se tire.
Sorry. Cutting it a bit close there. No worries, mate. All the time in the world.
Les gars, on est devenu la Dream Team. J'ai enfin réussi cette mission après 4 essais.
New course. Tougher opposition, tighter deadline. So be smart. Fastest win gets extra credits. Yes, what is it, Bond?
First rule of spycraft.
Always do the unexpected.
And what about it?
followed it, sir.
Il est vénère. Il est vénère. Il est content, mais en même temps, il est vénère. Les gars, ça se voit, il était en mode ah, petit enculé.
Grab your coat. We're going out.
Don't tell me. Tea and cucumber sandwiches.
Et bah, je dois
You
déjà y aller, ma visite, c'est dur.
Come on.
Gros bisous, mon petit Paulus. Gros bisous.
Here's to everything not MI6.
Can't fault their timing.
You, my big man.
Contact at the bar.
Oh? Oh, sorry.
The epiphylium oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
That's an interesting pickup line.
Sorry. Thought you were someone else.
Hey, how can you be so sure I'm not the one you want, yeah? We only just met.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Leaving. Excuse me.
Oi! I'm not finished with you!
Leave it, Gav! Leave it! Come on, let's buy me a drink.
Charming.
Wesh, les gars, elle avait un mec. Elle avait un mec.
The epiphyllum oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
And only for a single.
What have you got for me?
There's a package for you in the gents. Watch it in private. X marks the spot.
Right.
Pour me a pint of lager, will you? And get this girl whatever she likes.
Watch it.
Nash, ready?
Told to wait here for further instructions. You too.
Oh, just passing.
Good luck.
C'est où les toilettes des hommes? Là-bas peut-être.
Find yourself tired.
C'est où les chiottes?
How much? For 2 pints? You're having a laugh.
Les gars, j'ai vraiment l'impression d'être en boîte de nuit. Oh, il y a des gens en train de faire pipi là.
Found you.
Ok.
MI6 has identified a leak from the Trade Ministry. We've narrowed our suspects to 3 secretaries, Rick Bolthorpe, Alice Weatherall, and Joshua Pike, all at the club this very evening. Your job is to identify the culprit. Bond, you'll be teaming up with Nash and Singh to focus on Pike. Keep this device on you and get up close. It will enable Singh to access Pike's phone. Best of luck, Bond.
Singh, Nash, we're on Pike.
Already looking for him.
Let's do this.
Told ya, I wasn't finished with you.
J'en étais sûr, j'en étais
Everyone
sûr.
else, out.
Really?
C'était sûr, les gars, c'était sûr.
To warn you, I'm
Mec, je voulais...
No one chats up my girlfriend.
Mais c'est elle qui m'a pécho.
What, you said you were good at this?
I'll let you have that one. Charles, walk away now.
Hell, Bond? Fighting?
Yeah, sorry. Be quick.
Dégage. Bonne journée.
Don't forget to flush.
C'est incroyable. C'est incroyable. Allez, bonne journée.
Nash.
Oh, you're all done.
Yeah. Thanks anyway.
What? No, I just came to watch.
Listen, guys. Pike's upstairs, but it's guest list only. But I got the club blueprints, and there are some backstairs behind the bar.
How about the dance floor balcony? That's an access point.
Voici des objectifs. Ensuite, les objectifs, indices et opportunités. Ce sont des indices. Utilisez-les pour découvrir des opportunités et progresser dans vos objectifs. Waouh. Vous suivez automatiquement la première opportunité décelée. Vous pouvez activer ou désactiver le suivi des opportunités. Suivre une opportunité indique souvent qu'il n'est pas nécessaire de compléter les opportunités restantes. Choisissez celle à suivre. Ah ouais, il faut qu'on choisisse. Derrière le comptoir, on peut accéder au bar à étage en passant derrière le comptoir. Le balcon qui surplombe la petite danse mène au bar. J'aurais plutôt pris celle-là, moi.
Sing? Backstairs are staff only, I presume?
Right. They're in a storage area, so don't get in trouble.
Balconies, Nash?
Aye, overlooking the dance floor.
And how do you suggest I get up there?
I don't know. Just telling you, it's an access point.
Get upstairs, Bond. And Nash, you find a good vantage point for observations.
After you, Bond.
Ok.
Really? Are you sure?
I am. Your hair was the...
Hey, easy now.
For... I don't know.
Sure. Oh my god.
Là-haut.
Hey, watch it.
Just slinked into the crowd and disappeared. You know the type. Slippery with sixth sense. Did you hear about the guy last week? Climbed the light rig backstage to get to the free bar in the upstairs lounge.
No shit.
I did.
There's an idea.
But he just slinked into the crowd and disappeared. You know the type.
Accéder aux coulisses.
Sorry, sir. My fault. Empty eyes, but busy.
Putain, il faut se fauciller à travers tout le monde, les gars. Les gars, je comprends pourquoi il disait qu'il fallait... Je suis sûre que tu portais son t-shirt. Les gars, ce qui est trop drôle, c'est qu'il y a vraiment le truc...
Get off the stage.
Box lighting tech. Here to fix the issue with the Starlight F4000. Someone must have messed with the cabling. You didn't touch anything, did you?
Me? Why the hell would I do that?
You could look the type. Excuse me. Nash, on the light rig. Balcony coming up.
Good. A little skip, and you're golden.
Skip. Right.
What the?
Ladies.
Bonjour.
In the lounge now, looking for Pike.
Find him and get up close.
not what was supposed to happen.
I see it.
Oh God! Did he get hurt?
Bond,
Just
use
as
your Q
fine.
lens to locate Pike's phone.
And perhaps his ankle, a bit. Lucky for us, he'll think twice before jumping on stage and
Pardon me. I'm in your way.
So sure about that. First time he does stuff like that. Far from it, I hear.
Later, ladies.
Now we're getting somewhere. Stay up close for data extraction.
Rose is asking for you, Josh. You going in?
Data still coming
I've just
in.
fetched the others.
But I believe we've identified our Trade Ministry leak. I'm getting photos of classified documents from Pike's phone. Bond, stay up close.
Let's finish this. We're heading back to the booth. I'm getting drinks. You want anything?
Les gars, c'est long le piratage, c'est long.
So, my boyfriend's not looking too hot. He won't say what's happened, but I have a feeling you happened.
Get rid of her, Bond.
I don't know if I should be angry or flattered.
Neither. It had nothing to do with you.
Are you sure?
Quite. Excuse me. Bad news. Pike just entered the exclusive booth.
You're not
Better
coming
find a
this
way in there, then.
Carry on. Need to find a way past them. Drinks, anyone?
Hey,
Thirsty crowd.
3 drinks does that.
Just like that.
Great, our drinks. Hang on, is that a martini? I didn't order that. No one in their right mind would. And that one, pineapple? Only acceptable pineapple ever is on my pizza. Now why don't you go back to your little bar and get us what we ordered?
Don't be an ass, Crispin. Besides, where's your sense of adventure?
J'espère que c'est pas encore
Why don't you
copyright,
live a little,
j'espère aussi.
Crispin? If you'd excuse me.
Yes, but I deserve that you put in a bit of an effort.
Ladies and gentlemen, data extraction complete.
Good job. Now let's celebrate.
Where are you guys?
I'm up here on the balcony.
On my way.
On est les copains d'aventure.
Please, forgive me, sir.
Il y a des hommes en slip là-haut. Dans quel genre de soirée on va, nous?
What a night. I think we...
Listen, I just found something. Pike's meeting his contact tonight at the club.
And?
We need to act. We could unravel the whole network.
And how exactly would that play out?
Have they met before?
No, first time.
Perfect. Monroe, how about you intercept the meeting? Pretend to be Pike. Bond, you make sure Pike doesn't show.
Any ideas?
Our best bet would be to stow him away somewhere. Lock him in. That ought to be possible up here.
I'll figure something out.
I'll be by the stairs to make sure Pike doesn't slip down.
Les gars, il était là-bas, il faudrait qu'il aille aux chiottes.
Hey, watch where you're going.
This'll do nicely.
Forcez Pike à vous suivre. Hey man.
Oh, sorry, I'll get out of the way.
Joshua Pike. Change of plans. Come with me.
Who the hell are you?
Your contact had to abort last second. I'm his replacement. If you want this deal to happen, then start walking.
Okay, I'll walk.
That's my bad.
Bougez-vous, bougez-vous.
In here. After you.
Hey!
Bottle service.
What?
Please, forgive me, sir.
En tout cas, pour une boîte, la musique est nulle.
Right,
Ok,
guys,
oui.
that's Pike taken care of. Locked him in.
Tell me you got his phone first.
Shit. I've got you covered. Fried his sim.
Time for phase 2. Bond, meet me by the stairs. Let's regroup. Well done, Bond. Now we just need Monroe to scare the socks off her so she calls her boss.
Change of plans? I just found a message. She's expecting someone tall, dark, and handsome.
And 2 out of 3 won't do.
It'll have to be Bond then. Where is she?
I've got eyes on our girl. Pretty black dress. She's behind the cloakroom.
No rest for the wicked. I need to make a call a handler for this to work, right, Singh?
Yeah. She communicated with Pike on a rotating comm protocol.
Ouais, c'est un homme torse nu là.
Use the same thing with her handler, but I got Pike's phone cloned, so it shouldn't be a problem.
If it's not a problem, why mention it?
Guys, focus, please. You good, Bond?
Ready to shake things up. Oh, good. You showed.
And I was just about to leave. You're late.
Give her hell, okay? We need her to call her handler.
Leave? I doubt that. In fact, you're so hot for what I've got, we need to talk price. It just doubled.
Why do little men like you always do that? You must know we won't play along.
I don't give a shit if you don't. I can easily find someone else who'll be more appreciative of my services.
God, you're serious? I can call my guy, but trust me, it won't turn out well for you.
Call him.
Who's this?
Huh.
Don't mind her. Trust me. You don't want to miss out on this.
What the? You're sweet-talking that cow right in front of me. Please. I'm leaving.
Calm down.
What the? And who the hell are you?
Mais les gars, elle est pénible. Elle a un mec.
How about you put a leash on your girlfriend?
Listen, you and me? Not a good idea.
Damn right it's not.
Bah casse-toi là.
Word he says. All smooth, but such a liar. Asshole. I'm done. Deal's off.
If you go, the offer is up. It's now or never. Your call.
Give me a few minutes. I need to make a phone call. It's me. He wants more money.
Done. She's making the call.
What took you so long?
Things got complicated.
Well done, recruits. Extraction in 2 minutes. I've marked the location in your lenses. First to arrive gets extra credit.
It sure did take a while. But I've always known those looks of yours.
On se tire les gars, on se tire.
I think he just sucks at turning down the keen ones.
You wouldn't know, Singh, but it actually takes a lot of practice. I'll give you some pointers one of these days, Bond.
Thanks, Kingsley.
Extraction, guys. Tick-tock.
Jeez, look where you're going.
Les gars, on a réussi à se tirer. Oh oh.
You're dead, mate.
Bagarre, baston, baston. Heureusement que Monroe est là les gars, ça va devenir notre big bro. T'es pas KO là.
You're late.
I'd say there's still time for a pint. Back in. First round on me. Cheeky half?
Oh les gars, on commence à gérer, on les a massacrés là.
I'm suspending training, effective immediately. A situation's arisen, a matter of considerable delicacy. The former 009, real name Reese Beckett. A rogue operative guilty of high treason, he has somehow managed to stay hidden for over a decade. And now he's coming in from the cold. 009 claims to hold evidence of a conspiracy against the state, and he intends to hand it in return for a full pardon on one condition. He will only talk to John Greenway.
Oh my God. Guess there really is someone for everyone.
And where do we come in, Mum? Last time I checked, cutting deals with traitors was not in our playbook.
009 is a master infiltrator. As resourceful as he is paranoid, thinking 2 steps ahead is this man's idea of lazy. To catch him, we're gonna need eyes everywhere. Consider this a field exam. Get your equipment and cover stories from Q. Moneypenny will fill you in on the rest. Dismissed?
Regardez comment je suis habillée comme un gros BG, les gars.
A word. Greenway wasn't happy with your performance last night, and he's reluctant to bring you along. Just a heads up.
Right. Any advice?
Doing what you're told might be a good start.
Ah.
Ponsonby?
Bond.
Elle me kiffe.
What did she say?
Greenway doesn't want me to come after last night.
Really? I missed the extraction deadline too.
Well, I am going. That's what counts.
Come on. Let's go see Q. A rogue 00 coming in from the cold. Not bad for a first mission.
She said he's been in hiding for more than a decade. That roughly matches when the program was shut down, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. You think he caused that?
Could be. Or it could just be timing deciding things. I mean, Thea was just integrated. Perhaps the 00s didn't feel needed to the same extent after that.
Heading down to Q-Lab.
In a moment.
Q-Lab. Cover stories and field equipment. This sure beats exams. Wonder what he's got lined up for us.
I wouldn't mind that bike coming along.
Oh? I heard you were more into explosives. The bigger the better, according to Basil from accounting.
Basil? Who's that?
Vice chairman of your fan club.
Right, and the chairman? I guess that'll be...
Les gars, on est en fan club. On est en fan club.
But Greenway won by a whisker.
I was looking for you two. Monroe, I have your cover story from Q.
Can't wait. Later, mate.
Any idea what's in store for me?
No clue. Something dashing, no doubt.
This guy? Fashion photographer.
Fearless war correspondent.
Adventurer archaeologist.
I'll see you in a bit.
Recruit Bond. I hear you got banned from the Arch Club on your first visit. Nicely done.
Not more of a lounge lizard. You seen Q?
He's in wearables.
Of course he is.
98.2%
Véhicule
inflation,
testing.
fine work.
Gadgets. Wearables là-bas.
Need to adjust the trigger sensors before we present to Q.
Good call.
C'est là, c'est là. Oh les gars, ils sont trop bien les bureaux. Bonjour, c'est quoi ma couverture moi?
Move over Savile Row.
Mais les gars, il y a tellement de sponsors. Regardez la sponsor Coca.
No time to date.
C'est une blague? C'est encore la meuf en rouge, mais elle va vraiment jamais me lâcher la grappe. Les gars, je suis choquée de toutes les sponsors dans le jeu. Déjà, ils ont dû payer cher.
Yes. Note the exquisite stitching and attention to detail. Cut, proportion and style in perfect harmony.
Looks a bit big.
Oh no, this is for Monroe. You'll be wearing that one.
Ah.
And the chauffeur.
Well, don't look at me, I just work here.
Le seum.
Greenway.
I'm heading over to gadget
This.
testing. Join me when you're ready. There's some new field gear that I'd like you to try out.
Ah les bâtards.
Probably a new line of air fresheners.
Dissimulé dans la pointe, ok.
Downing Street. Cressida's dad is on the rise.
Ok.
Perhaps
Par contre les gars, moi je suis le chauffeur quoi. Mais par contre ça me fume. On a déjà eu Aston Martin, Omega. Et là du coup on se tape Coca-Cola. Vous pensez qu'on peut prendre un Coca?
Oh, darling, it's a dream come true.
Let's synchronize our stories. I'm a big shot sports agent, and you're a washed-up child influencer with a massive gambling problem. I took pity on you.
Chauffeur.
Or
That's
I'm a
just
high-powered
grand.
lawyer and you're a former professional rugby player with moderate brain damage.
Not cool. Not cool.
Good job on the flag challenge. Smart.
Et les gars, il y a vraiment plein de trucs parce que si vous voyez, genre il faut regarder un peu les panneaux, mais là-bas c'était les wearables, là-bas on a shooting range, là-bas on a l'armurerie. Je vous jure, c'est trop stylé. T'as vraiment tout. Il y avait le gadget du coup testing qui doit être là-bas.
Okay, let's see what's in store.
Splendid work, Bridget. I'd say one more round of iteration and we're ready for field testing.
That is my assessment as well.
Q? You mentioned some field gear that needs testing?
Quite right, yes, over
Les
here.
gars, n'oubliez pas qu'on est le chauffeur. Hein. Après, Aston Martin, c'est sa voiture du film aussi. Oui, oui, mais genre Coca-Cola, tu vois.
Directed propagating disturbance that staggers opponents on impact and causes medium damage to body armor. Try it out, why don't you?
All right.
Now, aim the device at Arthur here, and before you ask, yes, he's good with it.
I'm good with it.
If you say so.
A little practice, it will become second nature. Okay, next item. A sleek upgrade to a timeless classic, the smoke grenade. This small-scale, lightweight projectile blocks visibility, leaving opponents open to attack. Go on, have a go.
Don't mind if I do.
Les gars, ne soyez pas Arthur.
Throw it at Arthur. You ready, Arthur?
Ready.
Now, as you can see, the smoke obscures Arthur's vision, causing an acute sense of disorientation. While the effect lasts, he is quite defenseless. And that's the whole shooting match. You may choose your equipment from the gadget cart. Bridget here will sort you out if you have questions.
Thanks.
Good luck out there, Bond.
You were authorized to bring 2 items into the field. Not that you're likely to need them in the car park.
Uh-huh.
Was that insensitive? My people skills range in the bottom third.
Surely not.
Ok.
Kind of choosing blindly here.
Ah,
Any
on a-
pointers?
I
on a-
cannot disclose any specific details about the assignment, only that you will be attending an exclusive social event. High security, low hostility. In these types of situations, discretion, not force, is advised.
Duly noted.
Ok. Les gars, on prend clairement ça, non? On va prendre. Ah. Ah. Ok. Là on en a pris.
All done.
Ah,
Prends. Mais les gars, c'est trop bien, c'est-à-dire qu'on va avoir des nouveaux
Good luck
gadgets
out
à
there.
chaque mission et tout. Bonsoir. Oh, tu peux appeler l'ascenseur.
Hi. Which floor?
Operations, please.
No problem.
Je trouve glauque le monsieur. C'est un traître. Regardez comment je le surveille, Théba.
Hello. Can I help you?
Perhaps you can. I'm looking for Moneypenny.
I think she's in her pod. Just through that door down there, and you can't miss her.
All right there.
Édition du jour du London Sentinel.
Sure.
Just send it over when you get it. Thanks.
Regardez les bureaux du MI6. Attendez, j'ai vu qu'il y avait un truc là, on peut chipoter. Il y a un carnet.
Hello again. This is one of the new recruits, I believe. This is Whitlock, and I'm Bancroft.
D'accord. Bonne journée. Ah ouais, mais il est sympa son bureau, putain.
M underestimates 009. You all do.
Thea's report was inconclusive, John. 009's been gone for too long to yield reliable data. There's a 50-50 chance that he's telling the truth. We need to know what he has.
We need nothing this man has to offer. Yes, this is just a boon that M's been looking for to get Foreign Secretary Bright and his lot off our backs, but 009 is a master manipulator. Whatever his endgame is, we won't see it coming.
I couldn't help but overhear you and Greenway.
Couldn't help yourself, is what you mean.
Sounds like there's some history between the two of them.
They served together as double O's, right up until Operation Nightfall.
Go on.
Would that I could.
Nice place.
C'est
Screen big
stylé
enough
de
for you?
fou bâtard.
It's cool, isn't it? Just got it up and running.
About 009. How did he manage to stay hidden for all those years? I thought Thea could get a handle on just about anyone in the world.
Well, it's not a magic wand, James. Thea consumes data on an unprecedented scale, but if you leave none, you're effectively invisible. Imagine the focus and dedication it takes to stay off-grid for so long.
Did 009 have help?
Almost certainly. Some even speculated he was with the cousins.
Why would the Americans hide a UK traitor?
You don't have siblings, do you?
Recruit ranking. You have a widget for that.
I like to stay informed.
Looks like I kept my place.
Well, Greenway hasn't handed in the performance review for last night.
Okay.
You have a mission briefing for me.
I do. Let's get the other recruits in here and I'll show you. The Grand Carpathian Hotel in the high Tatra Mountains of Slovakia, host to the World Chess Championship. Safe to say, 009 did not pick this location at random. The hotel is swarming with international VIPs, security is of the highest order, and due to the current diplomatic tension between the UK and Slovakia, the operation has not been cleared with local authorities. According to 009's instructions, the meeting will go down in full public view during the championship match. No comms, no tracking, no backup. And these are only the safeguards that we know about. 009 will employ every manner of subterfuge to avoid capture. And if he suspects a trap, we'll never get another shot. This is where you come in. You're all blank slates in the intelligence circuit, which makes you ideally suited for undercover work. Locate 009 and keep him under close watch, but do not engage the target.
J'ai l'impression d'être un vrai agent secret tellement il y a des trucs. Du coup les gars, je suis vraiment le voiturier de Cressida et de Monroe.
I'm a glorified hood ornament. What could I possibly have to pout about?
Sorry if the assignment doesn't live up to your grand expectations.
Oh, l'hôtel il est
Someone must
magnifique.
watch the perimeter. If 009
Regardez
slips
la
through our
vue.
fingers, you're the last line of defense.
Je me rappelle de ce passage, je l'ai montré pour la sortie du jeu. C'est vrai? Oh, je me souviens plus.
Don't give him an excuse.
The cap looks good on you though. Really brings out your cheekbones. Take a left up ahead, James.
Backseat driver.
What's that, darling?
Just a frog in my throat.
Is everything in order?
Routine inspection, ma'am. Won't be a moment. All clear. Please proceed.
Les gars, j'ai l'impression que Greenway, il est pas net. Genre, tu sais, le fait qu'il est là, ouais, il faut pas lui parler, machin. Tu sais, ça se trouve, c'est lui qui a. C'est Greenway qui a trahi 009, tu vois. Et genre, il se camoufle.
I mean, a wedding back in 22.
Doesn't sound like something you'd forget.
Well, the hen was in Cannes, so we flew in by private jet. It was dark and we've been drinking, so...
Can. Private
C'est
jet.
possible, ouais, on est d'accord, hein.
Nothing. Darling, nothing at all.
What do you make of 009?
He was the best in his day. That was a long time ago. My guess is he's tired of running.
Greenway thinks we're being played.
And since when do you trust Greenway?
I never said I did.
They knew each other, though.
That much is clear. Something to do with an operation called Nightfall.
Begs the question. Did 009 pick Greenway out of good faith? Or bad blood?
Well, we're about to find out. Pull up. This is our stop. We're live, gentlemen. Switch to comms. Monroe, with me. James, stay.
Save the world some other time, yeah?
Afternoon. Invitation, please.
Blake and Loretta York. Plus the help.
Mm-hmm. Welcome to the Grand Carpathian. Parking is right up ahead. Mr. and Mrs. York, enjoy your stay.
Much obliged.
Regardez, ils sont partis et moi je dois aller me garer. Les gars, vraiment, j'ai été exclue de la mission à cause de Greenway. Et je pense que c'est pour ça qu'il me veut pas, c'est parce qu'il me veut pas dans les pattes. Il sait que vu que je l'obéis pas, je vais lui casser les pieds.
We're entering the premises. Team status?
Nash, delivery area. In position. C, staff quarters.
Ronson, conference wing. Kingsley, first floor suites.
Bond. Bond.
Car park. In position.
Greenway, Grand Hall. Switching off comms as instructed. Keep a low profile and don't let your guards down.
Regardez mon chapeau.
009 most certainly won't.
Regardez mon chapeau. Bonjour. Je crois qu'il va s'ennuyer un peu vite.
Not exactly the 5-star treatment. No harm in stretching my legs. Bond, reporting suspicious behavior.
009?
No, one of the hotel staff. Strangest looking bellhop I ever saw. He was mishandling luggage.
Are you joking? What are we, the local tourist board?
I guess he had to be there. It was odd. I'm gonna check it out.
You will not. 009 is our only priority. Stay at your post, James. That's
Oui,
an
oui,
order.
je stay.
Yes, Mom.
Je stay, je stay. Il a dit yes, madame.
Social media last year.
Pardon me? Need to see a man about a bag.
Missed him.
Afternoon, sir. Staff and press only.
Oh, damn. Forgot my press badge.
You're not the first.
À la presse et au personnel.
In transit. Just gone. Jesus Christ. Hey, you don't belong here.
I'll be on my way then.
Thank you.
Sorry, j'avais pas...
Any idea what he's going to do? I haven't talked to him yet. I just heard about it from Dushan at the bar. I suspect he's preparing himself for a grilling from the board. They'll have him alive for this. I mean,
Wonder what it
after
was.
that thing with his secretary, his tenure at the company...
Je vais pas le neutraliser, ça sert à rien.
not so sure he'll survive this. Poor old Jackie boy.
Hmm.
That's it.
Yeah.
I just don't see the problem. Midas
Okay.
predicts the market with an unprecedented level of precision.
Pick up, pick up, pick up! Turn off your mute button, George. Every bloody time he does this. George! Yeah, it's no use. I met with the whistleblower. Claims to have proof that Nivex cheating, but they'll only talk to Hoffman. How far off is he? Well, tell him to floor it or we'll lose the scoop of the year. I stashed his press badge inside one of the big pots on the lower ramparts. I need to get back in there. It's a nail-biter. Unless you sent me all this way to report on the landscaping? Didn't think so.
Did you hear Grandmaster Nivik got his ass handed to him by
Ok, je pensais que c'était là, en bas, j'avais compris en bas. Les gars, j'adore comment les gens ils disent toutes les infos. J'ai caché le putain de truc dans un pot. Ricky? Témoin à proximité. Oh. Je trouve pas assez où. Les pots. Ouais, ça sert à rien. Ok, mais elle a caché dans un pot. Tu sais où les pots?
Pardon me.
Oh,
Sorry,
pardon.
just trying to get through.
My fault.
My fault. Didn't mean to.
C'est où les pots? Attendez, on peut revoir les indices normalement. Une carte de presse est cachée sur les remparts inférieurs. Ouais, donc c'est ici. Là-bas. Dans les pots là-bas. Donc ça, j'avais raison. C'était ici quelque part. Ok. Un jeu côté Hitman. Ah ouais. Et là on peut... Comment je fais pour fouiller? Parce que bon... Il n'y a que les deux pots là. Bah ouais. Et donc... Non, là il n'y a rien apparemment. Et pourquoi il fouille pas? Je comprends pas. Enquêter sur le blond. J'ai pas eu le temps monsieur, j'ai pas eu le temps, je suis un peu trop bulle. Mais enquête? Comment je peux avoir la carte? C'est ça que je comprends pas. Le pot ici, ouais, ok. Mais... Les gars, je sais qu'il y a une carte, et je peux pas la voir, je comprends pas là. I don't understand. Bah oui, ok. Et donc les gars, à quoi elle sert mon info? On me dit clairement. Triangle. X. Ok, c'est super pratique en tout cas. On me dit qu'elle est cachée dans un pot, mais j'ai pas le droit de fouiller les pots. Ah. Ça peut être là-bas aussi. Encore une énigme à l'ego, ça. Ah ouais, ça. C'est parce que j'avais pas fouillé les bons pots. Carte de
I'll put it
presse.
back. Eventually.
Allez.
Probably.
Bisous. Oups. Bonsoir. C'est bon, on va pouvoir rentrer, on a notre carte de presse. Mais par contre les gars, comment vous voulez qu'on me prenne pour un journaliste avec des vêtements pareils? Ah bon?
Can
duck through. I need to catch up with that bellhop.
Show me your ID and all's good.
There. Forget my own head next.
All right. Checks out. Step into the scanner, please. He's clear. You may enter, sir. Enjoy the tournament.
You're on a tight ship.
Member of the press.
That's what my badge says.
Continue up the stairs, please. The mezzanine is great for photos. Best view in all the house.
Thank you.
But it's great for people watching.
The one in the dining hall? Yeah, I cracked it long ago.
J'aurais piqué les vêtements. Bonjour. Bonjour. Je veux dire, on va pas tenter la porte, c'est trop... Nouveau tiroir.
Don't mind me, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ils sont en train de vivre leur vie.
Which room is he in? Don't know. But he's getting an extra mint on his pillow. That's for sure.
Regardez comment je suis habillée, les gars.
Let's see what all the fuss is
À quel moment vous voulez que ça passe?
There's Greenway. Hopefully I'm the last thing on his mind. What are you here for?
Ok.
Bond, status.
No sign of 009. Over.
Ah, il ment même à ses potes, les gars. Il a dit qu'il y avait personne sur le parking, c'est vraiment un bâtard.
Kingsley alert.
Bond, why am I not surprised?
Kingsley, you can keep a secret, can't you?
Don't bother, I'm reporting you right here and now.
Look, I'm onto something. This is my shot at proving myself to Greenway. Just help me out here.
Wow, this is unprofessional even for you. Command, Bond has abandoned his post. I repeat, Bond has abandoned his post.
Copy. I will handle it. Proceed.
Bad form, Kingsley.
Nice knowing you.
Putain, mais quelle connasse. Quelle connasse. Ok. Ok. Bonjour. Ah, les
This
gars.
guy better be worth it.
Ok. Les gars, c'est censé être notre acolyte. Ah, c'est pas ma meilleure pote, mais elle fait partie de la team.
Where have I seen him before?
I think he models for Alexander Dubin.
Oh, right. Nice posture.
Now, where do you go?
Can I get you something to drink, sir?
Wonder if you could help me.
I'll certainly try, sir.
Recommend anything?
The Sazerac is always popular. Me, I'd go with the Ram Collins or the Stinger. If you feel like going off menu, I make a killer bare knuckle boxer.
Anything virgin?
None that I'd recommend.
Point taken. How's business?
Lot of VIPs. Even for this place. We have a prince, 2 heads of state, any number of celebrities. And no wonder they brought in all that extra security.
Can't be too careful. Did you notice the blonde bellhop who just passed through here?
There's a face you'd pick out in the lineup. Probably one of the Temps. He was asking for the directions to the backstage area.
A chess fiend. I knew it.
I'd stay clear of him.
Just need a quiet word. Nothing dramatic.
Merci, mec.
Nash, delivery area secure. No sign of 009. Moving on to the next checkpoint. Over.
chaud. C'est chaud, les gars.
That's what I call a trophy. Should have been a chess player.
You don't have the patience, Wu.
Where's it from, anyway? The Habsburgs?
French would be my guess.
She's playing too fast.
That's what she wants him to think. She wants him to think she's being reckless, but she's not. She's hunting him across the board.
Ralph, what's the matter? Hey, you look like you've seen a ghost. Hello, to Ralphie.
Ok. Ça va être chaud les gars parce qu'on va pas trop savoir rentrer comme ça, c'est derrière qu'on est censé aller. Je sais pas trop comment on va faire.
You know Mr. Prendergast, the author. His suitcase disappeared. Claims a bellhop took it.
Blame the staff. What else is new?
Tell Mr. Vargas if you see him. Prendergast is down in reception demanding to see the manager.
Wouldn't want to keep Mr. Prendergast waiting.
Ok. Du coup, on sait qu'il y a quelqu'un qui lui a fait enlever sa valise.
Well, I never. Norman, are you listening to me? I said, well, I never.
What is it this time, Mother? Does some troglodyte wear a waistcoat with a cummerbund?
Putain, ils ont tous des robes magnifiques et tout. C'est trop bien.
Tall, blonde bellhop. Oh, never mind. You're oblivious as usual.
She's no happy customer.
On peut lui parler. Hello?
Pardon me, Mom. Hotel administration. I couldn't help but overhear.
Good. I was about to file a complaint.
This bellhop was bothering you.
Well, I called him 3 times and he just rushed past me. Ignored me completely.
No, disgraceful. When was this incident?
Just a moment ago. Hurry up, you might catch him.
Did you happen to see where he went?
I'll tell you exactly where he went. Towards reception.
You've been most helpful, Mom. I'll take it from here.
You'd better. Honestly.
Okay.
The whole cargo, lock, stock, and barrel. The same crew raided the cruise ship a month before. Swimming cruise ship.
Let's see. Male, Asian, whitish blonde hair, approximately 6'2", spoke with an accent. Must be a foreign national. I'm sorry, Mr. Prendergast, but we simply do not have a bellhop of that description.
Ridiculous. And who made off with my bag then? I demand to see the manager.
He is on his way, Mr. Prendergast. I'm sure it's all a misunderstanding.
Okay.
It better be. I'll be over here.
Hello, mister.
Mr. Prendergast, I am told you have some missing baggage.
Stolen is more likely.
Any idea where he went?
Yes, that's what I've been telling you people. I spotted him just before, going through the door marked laundry.
Laundry. That's very helpful.
Merci, monsieur. Merci, monsieur.
What is your business at the hotel?
A bit of workation. I'm researching my next novel. An AI-themed techno-thriller taking place in the world of international chess.
Sounds like a page-turner. And what was in the suitcase?
Uncut diamonds. What do you think was in it, man? My clothes and toiletries.
Had to ask. Right, that's all I need. My office will be in touch. Please have a drink on the house.
Oh, believe me, I shall.
On lui a carrément
Man
dit.
is no bellhop, that's for sure.
Va prendre un
Time to
verre.
do the laundry.
C'est où la laundry? Ouh là là.
Well, there are other universities.
Never seen the hotel so busy before.
Okay.
Piotr, one of the bellhops, is a no-show. didn't even call in sick. He's so fired.
At least the temp agency is fast. They sent a replacement already. Tall, blonde guy.
Right. I just ran into him in the laundry. Easy on the eyes. Strange accent, though.
And there's your icebreaker. You'll figure it out, I'm sure.
Laundry.
Stop.
La clé. Bonjour. Ça va être chaud les gars, il nous faut la clé. Ok. Comment on peut récupérer la clé? C'est l'aspirateur. En raison du renforcement pendant l'événement, les codes seront changés tous les jours. Ils sont contenus dans le bureau du responsable derrière la réception.
That's what new people say.
C'est chaud patate.
Don't want any loose ends, do we? What could, Oh, it looks... Done.
Oh, you can't really be here.
Oh.
My mistake.
Les gars,
Thank
c'est
you,
dur,
sir.
c'est dur, je trouve pas les clés.
Hey,
Attends.
I told you to leave.
Oui, pardon. Je réfléchissais. Les gars, je ne sais pas où sont ces fucking clés. C'est dur, c'est dur. C'est la pétasse de tout à l'heure, ça. Faut pas lui faire confiance.
I was hoping for a tour of the wine cellar. It's one of the
Strange old
finest
key.
collections in Europe.
Any idea what it's for?
Oh, wait, I know. It's the key to the old cellar stairs. Leads down to the laundry room.
Mystery solved.
I'll keep a hold of it. I need to bug the janitor about putting up a keypad lock, anyway.
All right. See you around.
Not sure. We should have had all the older locks.
Ouh, les belles heures.
Pantry, maybe? Or one of the garden sheds?
I don't think so. Could be one of the display cases.
Il est pas distrait, on peut le pickpocketer. Cassé. Témoin. Oh là là, c'est chaud les gars. Il faut qu'on arrive à l'occuper, mais d'une manière, je ne sais pas laquelle. Qu'est-ce qu'on a pour le distraire? À part les armures.
Strange.
Okay, that was...
Des beaux livres.
May as well take a look. What could...
Looks like I was meant to have this instead.
Cours, ta race, cours! Oh mon dieu. Ok.
Bond, the
hell are you doing here?
I'm just writing my own resignation.
Chut, 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 cours ta mère, cours ta mère. Ok les gars, c'est pas ici. C'était là. Et là on peut y aller. Oh les gars, je vous jure c'est dur. Ok, il faut qu'on active le truc là, à droite. Oui madame. Ok, et là...
Such an old maid. I'm serious. That guy had prison tattoos on his neck.
Most of the laundry workers are ex-cons. So what? They're sweethearts once you get to know them.
Yeah, I'm not going down there without an entourage.
5K. Half now, half later. Make sure no one follows.
You got it, friend. Who was that guy?
That, Stefan, was your fairy godmother. Get this. He just slipped us 5,000 euros to stop a guy from following him.
A bellhop makes that kind of dough. I'm in the wrong line of business.
I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that guy is no bellhop.
So what are we looking for?
You know, with all that money in my face, I forgot to pay attention. Listen up!
If not controversial,
On it.
force in international chess for the last 10 years.
Environmental groups
What the
continue
hell
to
was
demand
that
a
annoying
statement
thing?
from the Icelandic government following leaked reports
Okay,
of an intense
better not think about it.
remote coastal location
ils sont
recorded by a
beaucoup.
satellite belonging to the Norwegian Weather Bureau.
According to Hernandez, the fact will greater than cycle many poorer nations find themselves trapped in when dealing with different governments and national bodies.
Sensible to check that.
Merde, il a pas suivi.
What?
Je suis tellement cramax, les gars, je suis tellement cramax.
Excuse me. What are you doing here?
Bonjour.
Easy now. Take it easy. I'm not looking for a fight.
Don't make this.
C'était chaud, c'était chaud. Situation sous contrôle, les gars, j'ai géré. J'ai géré.
Web Industries shares were among the winners in
Oh,
early
come on.
trading on the back of rumors of a forthcoming major announcement.
Apparemment, c'est passé.
Some analysts predict this to be the first sign of a reversal of the recent downward trend that has dominated markets across all sectors.
Looks like one of the limo drivers left us hanging. Those guys really cleaned me out last night. How'd they get so good at poker anyway? Their clientele. I bet they spend a lot of time at casinos. You're finished.
Don't get up, folks. I insist.
À quel moment s'est passé ça?
Of an intense heat signature in a remote coastal location
Bien
recorded by
joué.
a satellite belonging to the Norwegian Weather Bureau.
According to Hernandez, the fact will greater than cycle many poorer nations find themselves trapped in when dealing with Western governments and pan-national bodies.
Back into character.
You unpacked those new kitchen uniforms yet with the
Hey,
headshot's
mate.
monogram?
Well, that worked a treat.
Ok, on peut pas le...
Serious as a plague or other pandemic, and it requires a global response.
Right after this bulletin, we have a report from our correspondent in the region of West Africa that is reported to have
C'est chaud,
seen
c'est chaud.
greatest increases in arms trafficking, and is the rumored location of a fortified marketplace where
How many times do I need to flag this?
Why don't you keep at it? And I'll let you know.
And now to business. Web Industries shares were among the winners in early trading on the back of rumors of a forthcoming major announcement. Some analysts predict this to be the first sign of a reversal that has dominated markets across all sectors.
Bisous. Bisous.
Gone again. Slippery bastard. A worn bellhop outfit. Size XL. 206. Could be a passcode, an address, or a room number.
Ok. Il a changé de costume. Ok, pardon. Les gars, ça s'est bien passé, ça s'est bien passé. Par contre, il a changé de costume. Ah, bon, il n'y a plus de poignée maintenant. Il est parti par là. Oula, si je défonce la porte, les gars, il y a plusieurs personnes là. On peut essayer de sortir par là où on est rentré avec notre costume là. Quoique, j'ai l'impression qu'il a plus trop envie que je passe. Donc je crois qu'en fait on va se faire foutre et qu'on va devoir... On va devoir rien lui comme ça. Bon. Ah c'est bon, putain, je pensais qu'ils étaient dans la pièce. Ok, excusez-moi, je me suis dit, bah je suis mort.
Cressida, I'm back at my post.
Really?
Really? I'm in full view of the car park.
Good. Let's keep it that way. Stay vigilant.
You're the boss. Must have taken the scenic route.
Hello? See? No one's in here.
Silent alarm didn't trigger itself. Check the windows.
I'll be damned.
Hey, Laszlo, look at that.
Yeah, I see it. Maybe the wind comes.
What?
Uh-oh.
Checking now. Shit. No time. All right. What are you doing?
Dégage. Non. Non. Je pensais que j'allais pouvoir juste fuir. Des renforts sont en route. Not good.
Sorry, fellas. Desperate measures.
Stand aside.
Bonne journée.
That's right. Move along, folks.
Oh.
Nothing to see here. Monroe, I need your help.
Took you long enough.
The blind man. He's changed his disguise. I knew he was up to something.
Yeah? How do you know he's not
chaud
a thief?
patate.
He doesn't move like a thief. He moves like a soldier. I'm telling you, something's not right.
Look, I might have seen a bloke who fit the bill. Tall, blonde. Only he was in a suit. Went by the name of Locke.
Where was this?
Over at reception, a little while ago. He was heading upstairs.
Thanks, mate.
Hey, you didn't hear it from me.
Chief, it's Krista. Come in, Chief. Kovac, do you copy?
Okay.
Strange. He's never offline. Nadia, have you seen Chief Kovac around? He's not answering his calls.
He went up to room 206 with that gentleman from the insurance company.
Right. Blonde fellow.
You want me to check up on him?
Nah.
Les gars, chambre
They're
206.
probably going over security features. That chest trophy is worth a fortune.
Look, if you're so worried
Room
about it,
206.
I just overheard a pair of
That has to
guests
be it.
complaining about loud thumps and noises coming from one of the second floor suites. Room 206. What do we think?
Saying who stays in 206?
À mon avis, les gars. je vais-
VIP from Rhinestone Insurance. He's working with the hotel's chief of security.
I highly doubt that 009 has spent his exile selling insurances.
Merde.
I'd say it's none of our business.
Copy that.
Pour lui, il n'y aura rien. Bonjour.
Suddenly I was up against the best of the best.
Best of the worst.
What was that?
Nothing personal, just necessity.
Je l'ai gardé les gars, mais le truc c'est que là... C'est chaud parce que il est en... On a la clé. Ferme la porte. Ok. Regardez comme ils ont bossé là. Il me faudrait des batteries. Il n'y en a pas. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Carte d'accès. Chambre 205. Ok. Bonbon à la menthe. Ok. Ok. Ok les gars, ça se passe bien, ça se passe bien. Porte bloquée. Ok. Ok. Bonsoir. Choc. Les gars, comment on va accéder à ces fucking trucs là-bas là? Il y a ce fucking mec du personnel là, il nous lâche pas. On pourrait lui parler pour voir. Ah, pardon, on peut passer comme ça. Oh les gars, je pensais qu'on pouvait pas. 205.
There's a will, there's a way.
Ok. Mais ferme la porte. Ah. Ok, ça on a déjà. Ok. Oh les gars, j'y croyais tellement pas. Les gars, surtout pas aller dans la chambre. Surtout pas aller dans la chambre. Dans la salle de bain, pardon. Vous avez vu ce que je vois là? Il y a une femme qui est en train de prendre son bain. Si je rentre, on est mort. Comment on peut rentrer? Ah. En fait, je crois qu'on va rentrer dans la... Parce qu'il n'y a pas de fenêtre. Comment on pourrait rentrer? Ça ne donne accès à quoi, ça? Après, tu peux le prendre avec elle.
Well, hello.
Bonjour.
Pardon me, Mom. Didn't think anyone was in. I'm with management. One of our guests lost his pet anaconda. We're going floor by floor.
Well, it's not down here.
Bonne journée,
That
madame.
was unusual. Now, what happened here? Monroe?
Aye, Detective.
I'm in 206. It's a mess. Stay on the line. I'll have a look around.
This should be good.
Fouillez, fouillez.
I found a keycard holder, minus the keycard.
Could mean anything, mate. Don't jump to conclusions.
Ok.
Good fit for a body.
Un plateau vide pour les services de chambre. Après le reçu, notre monsieur Locke aurait commandé une tarte carélienne. Ok. Peut-être qu'il est chimou là. Journal. Il porte le cachet de l'hôtel à la une, la mort mystérieuse d'un célèbre climatologue à Orlando en Floride.
Found a wool suit, size XL. This guy changed his disguise again.
Or he changed his outfit. Small word, big difference.
Monroe, this isn't some party that got out of hand. These are signs of a struggle. And someone put up one hell of a fight.
If that's the case, where's the body?
Good question. I found the chief of security's wallet. It's full of cash. Doesn't look like a robbery.
He might have dropped it.
In the fireplace? Monroe, this is serious. The blonde man did something to the chief of security, I'm sure of it.
Okay. So why? And how is this connected to 009?
Not a clue. Yet. Call you back.
Housekeeping.
Jet lag. Gets me every time.
Après tu veux prendre... Ouais,
A chef? How does he manage to change clothes so fast?
Anyone else feel that? Sing, talk to me.
I'm picking up some chatter about a power surge in the electrical room. It crashed the security system, but there doesn't appear to be any permanent damage.
Strange.
Nothing to indicate foul play.
Copy
Merci
that, Sing.
beaucoup. Bonne
Keep an
journée.
eye on it. Everyone else, step up your search.
Monroe, listen to me. The blonde man, the missing security chief, the power surge, 009. Somehow it's all connected.
Look, say you're right. What's his game?
I don't know, but Greenway said 009 is a master
Where's
manipulator.
this fire?
If he knew what we know, he'd pull the plug for sure.
Okay. I'll look into it. Where are you now?
Back in the blonde man's trail. He won't slip away this time.
Il est dans les cuisines, les gars. Poursuivre le blond.
It's lucky that the emergency generators kicked in, or we'd still be out of power.
Security system still offline though. I'd call that a red flag. According to the logs, someone went inside shortly before the power surge.
Must be the security chief. He's the only one with authorization.
Security chief's keycard was missing. This is starting to add up.
What's the worst that could happen?
It's my business to know. You keep telling yourself that. So, Skylar, is she head of PR with Saxon Nordic?
Les gars, il a coupé le truc.
That's him. Now what's in those crates?
This is a direct security violation.
Relax. It's force majeure. It's not like anyone knew.
Mr. Governor, hear about this.
He'll thank me at dinner. Ask him.
He must have gone down this way.
What happened? I was on a shift at the delivery gate and suddenly, bam! Cold sweat, stomach cramp.
There. Gotta hurry.
Bond, your hunch was right. I found your missing security chief stuffed inside a laundry cart in the basement.
I knew it. Monroe? No. The blonde man smuggled something in on a truck while the security scanners were down. Something heavy.
Oh, this is bad. I'll inform Cressida. Don't let this guy out of your sight.
Ok.
Oh, he was just here. Went into the staff area. Didn't see him.
T'es qui?
You again.
That's right. The maid is picking a lock. Now you've seen everything.
Well, that was close.
On va la pécho, je crois. T'es mal à James Bond girl.
James, whatever you think you're doing, stop. You're in over your head.
Yeah, tell me about it.
This is insubordination. Get back to your...
Knew it. There was something in those crates.
Il est là, ce truc.
Blocked.
Il a pris l'ascenseur, ce bâtard.
Stairs.
Cours, cours, cours. Cours ta mère.
Missed him again.
This is amazing. Don't think I've tried it before. Is it your own concoction? I can't take it.
Là-bas, 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 là-bas. On peut passer ou pas là-bas? Ouais, je crois. On va faire le tour, les gars. On va pas passer devant tout le monde. J'ai l'impression qu'on va se faire trop remarquer. Quoi? Ah, on peut passer par là. Oui, c'est vrai. Je suis con. Là, 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 là.
A secret passage. Of course.
Le texte est dans ce live, on dirait que les instructions sont pour un mécanisme secret. Ok. Non, ça c'est bon. Non, pas ça. Ça.
Empty.
Ok. Oh le bâtard. Ah le bâtard. Du coup il y a un passage secret dans la cheminée. Je regarde un petit peu s'il y a autre chose. Hein. Je crois que c'est tout ce qu'on va trouver dans la pièce. Hein. On y va? On y va, dans la cheminée. Allez c'est parti.
6 dials. Take more than blind luck. Oh, come on. Thought I was onto something there.
Ok, il faut qu'on trouve des indices. Attendez, j'ai mon papa qui m'a appelé, j'en ai pour 2 secondes. Les amis, il va falloir que j'y aille bientôt. Mais je me dis qu'on pourrait peut-être essayer de foutre les animaux des bannières ensemble, non? Il y a une chèvre, un lion, un serpent. C'est pas la même chose là? Lion, chèvre, serpent.
Nothing to it.
What the fuck?
Monroe, status.
Wine cellar. I have eyes on the suspect. He's unpacking something.
Ça a sauvegardé?
I tried. She wouldn't listen.
Ça, les amis, ça a sauvegardé. Donc ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais garder ici. Comme ça, on aura découvert le passage secret, pile pour la fin. Et comme ça, vous savez. Oh, les gars, ce jeu me met la pression. Ah. Comme ça, vous savez. Demain. Donc ce soir, les gars, il n'y a pas live. N'oubliez pas. Ne m'attendez pas à 21 h comme d'hab. Demain, il y aura peut-être que James Bond. Je sais pas encore exactement. Il y aura peut-être que James Bond. Je vais voir un petit peu en fonction de mon programme de la journée, ça va. Je vous fais des gros bisous à tous. Merci, merci. Je vais me faire un petit resto, c'est moi qui paye. J'invite mon parrain pour son anniversaire, donc voilà. Je vous souhaite à tous une bonne soirée. À ceux qui regardaient la rediff, bonne rediff. Et ciao ciao les guys, ciao ciao. Gros bisous.